Hey guys, it is Julie here with TipRanks, and today we're taking a look at daily analyst ratings from some 5-star analysts. So let's get into it. Alright guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for being here. Today we're taking a look at brand new buy ratings from some 5-star analysts that came in just today. We'll be using the TipRanks Daily Analyst Ratings section to see these. Of course, we'll take a look at the stocks, what has spurred these recent ratings, and what analysts are predicting for the stock's future. You can find this tool over on the TipRanks website. Right under the Tools section, we're headed to Daily Analyst Ratings, where you'll see a full list of stock ratings coming in just today. I wanted to focus in on analysts with a 5-star rating that have given a buy, and I want to sort mine by analyst success rate, and that's where we got our list today. The first company picking up a new buy rating was HCI Group. Their stock trades under the ticker HCI and is currently priced at $64.36 per share, and they've seen gains of over 6% today. Overall, the stock is up over 9% this past year. HCI is in property and casualty insurance. They own subsidiaries engaged in diverse and complementary business verticals, including homeowners insurance, information technology, real estate, and reinsurance. The company just reported their second quarter earnings last night, and they did come out with a solid beat. Their Q1 revenue came in at $129 million, while their earnings per share of $1.22 was a big beat over the anticipated 44 cents per share. Following their report, their CEO said that loss trends improved, average premium per policy was higher, and interest rate environment benefited our investment income. We think these positive trends can continue. And it would seem that Truist analyst Mark Hughes agrees, as he just increased his price target today. He told investors that the assumed multiple expansion is appropriate in light of the trajectory for sustained top-line growth, particularly if HCI is successful with its proposed takeouts from Citizens and for further margin expansion. The HCI stock does only have 3 current analyst ratings, but they do all come in with a buy. And the average price target comes in at $82 per share, which would be an upside potential of nearly 28% for the next year. Down below, we can see Mark's rating here with that $80 price target, which would be an upside of 25%. Another came in just yesterday, giving it an upside of 56%. Our second stock picking up a new buy rating from a 5-star analyst is Aecom Technology. Their stock trades under the ticker Aecom, currently priced at $85.88 per share. They are up slightly on the day and have seen growth of 18% in the past year. Aecom is an infrastructure consulting firm, partnering with clients to solve the world's most complex challenges and build legacies for generations to come. They are planners, designers, engineers, consultants, and program construction managers, helping deliver professional services spanning cities, transportation, buildings, water, new energy, and the environment. Aecom's latest earnings report just came out on August 7th, and earnings were in line with expectations. For their third quarter, earnings per share came in at 94 cents, and their revenue did increase and included double-digit organic NSR, or net service revenue growth, in their design business. The company also saw total design backlog increase by 10% to a new record. Following the report, their CEO noted that they are consistently delivering on their financial and strategic commitments, which is positioning them to outperform their initial guidance for a 4th consecutive year. They said with their expanding competitive advantage, they are confident in delivering continued organic growth and margin expansion towards their longer-term target, and they are well positioned to continue to deliver long-term shareholder value. And with that latest buy rating being reiterated today, they currently have 6 analyst ratings, all coming in with a buy. The average price target comes in at $98 per share, which would be an upside of 14% for the next 12 months. Taking a look, we do have that most recent rating from Jamie Cook at Credit Suisse coming in at $99 per share, which would be an upside of 15%. And one yesterday has an upside of 5%. The rest are still a few months old and have not been reiterated following this latest earnings. And our third stock with a new buy rating is Jacobs Engineering. Their stock trades under the ticker J, currently priced at $137 per share. They are up 2% today and have seen growth of over 10.6% in the past year. Jacobs Engineering is a technical professional services firm. The company provides engineering, technical, professional, and construction services, as well as scientific and specialty consulting for a broad range of clients globally, including corporations, organizations, and government agencies. And this probably won't come as a big surprise, but Jacobs Engineering also came out with their earnings report just yesterday. For their third quarter, they reported earnings per share of $1.82, which was in line with expectations. Revenue came in at $4.2 billion, which was up over 9% year over year. Their CEO noted that backlog remains near record levels, and we've continued to focus on delivering improved operational performance against our robust opportunity set. We remain dedicated to maximizing long-term shareholder value and continue to advance the separation of our critical mission solutions business. Their stock has actually had 3 analysts all reiterate their buy ratings just today, with a total of 6 current ratings. And once again, we have unanimous buys. Their average price target is $145, which would be an upside potential of 6% for the next year. Looking at all the ratings from today, though, we do have some higher price targets from 10 to 15%, while some of the buy ratings with the downside are a couple months old. So there are 3 companies that have all picked up some new buy ratings just today from 5-star analysts. Let me know your thoughts on these 3 companies in the comments down below, and make sure you head over to TipRanks.com to check out the other daily analyst ratings for yourself. Please keep in mind these videos are never a suggestion to buy or sell any stock, just keeping you up to date with what Wall Street is up to. Make sure you always do your own research and due diligence. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I'll see you back here next time.